Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the camera cycle control ready. On PC it's V, on console it's the camera or back button. Once in a vehicle, press the control immediately to start cycling views. Make sure you're not in a pause menu and that controls aren't remapped. You're doing this now to switch from default hood view to alternative driving angles. Keep the key held short. Single presses will cycle. Repeated presses move through each camera option one step at a time. You press V or the controller camera button repeatedly to step through each camera preset. As you press, you'll move from cockpit style to hood, chase, and then wide cinematic angles, so watch the screen and stop when the driving view you want appears. Once done, make sure the angle feels correct for steering and visibility. If it doesn't, press again. You can change while moving. Doing so helps you judge speed and turns better, which is why you cycle on the fly. You finalize your view by stopping after the press that shows your preferred angle. That becomes the active driving camera. If the camera fails to change, make sure your input device is active and that the camera key isn't remapped in controls. Once done, test again while driving. If it still won't switch, restart the game or reset controls to default. This usually clears stuck input states. After that, repeat the cycle step to reselect your driving view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.